How to replace the cabin air filter on your 2006 2007 Honda Accord. Well, you're gonna go in the passenger side. Okay, you're gonna open the glove compartment. You're gonna push this side in and that side in. That thing will open. Now you see this piece over here, it has a little clip. You push and pull both sides, and then you're gonna pull this whole piece out. Okay, and that's your cabin air filter. You push it from underneath, and that's it. That's disgusting. If you just bought a car, if you don't do this, you just breathe in all the sickness from the last owner. If it was a smoker, if it has a dog, if it was coughing, or now that we just done with the COVID and all that stuff, you definitely want to change the filter. I do it in all my cars. A lot of customers, I ask them if you want me to get done, and they say no. That's strange, but so this is the filter. It costs like $20. If you want me to do it, I will charge you $50 to do it, but I think you can do it and you can save all the money. Keep it for yourself. Just see the cage, put the filter. The filter show you how it's supposed to go. So the air is coming from the top towards the bottom. Oops, you only fit right there. It's like a rectangle. If it doesn't fit one side, just flip it. Now it's in. Now you're gonna push it all the way inside. Okay. Now you're gonna push it into the hole all the way in. And that's it, it clicks. So now what you're gonna do, you go up with this, you push it, close it, and now you owe the mechanic $50. But I think you can do it yourself. So go buy one and put it on. Alright, 2006, 7, 8 Honda Accord. Almost every car have one. So you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright. So I think don't be lazy. Don't breathe that stuff. That's bad for you. You know, could be a lot of bad stuff that you don't want to be smelling. Alright, so good luck. Get to work, my friend.